Hey friends, today I'll be doing a simple one color mani using the color Enchanted by Revel Nail. I'll also be using Revel Nail's liquids along with the Nail Prop Shop's finger rest paint palette and dry liners. I'll tag everything down below. As you can see, my nails were already prepped before I started this mani. I'm using Tips by iGel along with Clear Dip. Then I do peel base and then I start dipping in color. Before I go in for my second coat of Enchanted, I just get rid of all the excess powder on my fingertips. This is to preserve my liquids and keep them in great condition as long as possible. The great thing about Revel's easy liquids is that they're not fast drying and you have time to go in and clean around the cuticle area before it hardens. I want you guys to see how easy it is to pour back the powder using these dry liners. So I'm done with the color Enchanted. Now I'm just gonna easily pour it back in. Then I'm gonna go in with a layer of clear just because Enchanted has shimmer and I don't want it getting patchy while buffing. This is the clear I use solely for glitters, which is why you might see a little bit of sparkles from other colors in the powder. So that's it for the dipping. I'm all done. Now I'm just making sure that all the powder is off my fingers and going in with the activator. When applying activator, I'm very generous. I want to make sure my nail is fully saturated because since I do use gel top coat, I only do one layer of activator, I guess you would say. So I just make sure the nail's fully saturated. I'm surprised at how well of a color Enchanted was to work with. I'll just do some light buffing, go in with my e-file, and smooth it out again with a final buff. During this process, it's also important to inspect your nail's shape. The powder does add bulk and might alter the shape of your nail. If that does happen, just go in with your nail file and correct it before you apply top coat. My cuticle drill bit is one of my favorites. I use it to go around my cuticle area just to make sure it looks super clean. Here, I'm just using a fine drill bit, making sure the nail's as smooth as possible. But this does leave some visible lines on the nail. So after this, I do one light buff afterwards. So as I did mention earlier, I do use a gel top coat. So the next step I do is spray alcohol on my nails, make sure they're free of any dust or powders. Then I just apply my gel top coat. I recommend if you plan on keeping your nails a long time to use a gel base before the top coat so that the top coat doesn't peel off. I cure my top coat for about 60 seconds and immediately after apply my cuticle oil. And I don't wipe my cuticle oil off. I let it sit there and moisturize my cuticle area. Sometimes I even do a coconut soak on my whole hand, but I didn't do that this time around. I'm very pleased with this color. It's beautiful, even more beautiful in person. The camera doesn't really pick up all the beautiful shimmers in this color. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.